Okay, go on.
So back to the components, we've gone through the back plate and the flame retardant straps. From there we've got the pressure reduction, so there's two stages. You've got the first stage, which is the piston type pressure reducer and the pressure relief valve. Thank you. And the second stage is the demand valve, and that reduces it again. We also have the demand valve. It's got the park and purge. So park is when we press the red button, and the purge is the button below underneath, and that will give us fresh air. The pressure gauge itself, it's a high pressure air line, which is located here. Okay, so that's shock resistant. It is also water resistant and luminescent, so we can see that in an environment that lacks visibility. The gauge goes up in 10 bar increments and has our 350 maximum and 0 obviously there. The air lines, we've got a medium pressure line, runs through here, and we also have our auxiliary fitting with a female Cesium fitting just there, and the primary air line with a female Cesium fitting as well here. Okay, so now that we've run through the components, we've just got the face mask as well. It's got a 5-point self-arresting harness on the top. It also has your orinasal cup in the middle with the two orinasal valves, and most important thing on there, you've got your distinguishing serial number for the set itself. So we're going to go through a quick pre-operational functional check and a pre-operational check. So when we're doing a functional check, first and foremost, we want to check that the cylinder's in good condition. There's no big gouges. It looks all pretty good to me. We want to make sure that the backplate itself is in good condition. There are no cracks, there are no rips, and the same sort of thing with the straps themselves. There are no rips in the straps, there's no tears, and the pressure lines themselves don't have any gouges taken out of them. So we want to give it a good visual inspection, and Andrew's been good with that. From there, we're going to go through the face mask as well. We're going to make sure that all the straps are self-arrested, so that looks all pretty good. Andrew? Yep. Fully extended, make sure that there's no rips or tears in the mask as well. From there, we want to make sure that we have the serial numbers all in alignment. So we have one located on the demand valve. We also have one located on the back plate, and the last one's going to be on the neck strap of the face mask itself. So all the serial numbers match. Can you verify that? And fantastic. So upon doing that, we want to check all our connections. So we want to ensure that the cylinder's attached properly. So it's attached properly at the back there. So you're happy with that, Andrew?
Tight.
And 2-finger tight. So we want to make sure that the anti-vibration strap is also connected. We want to make sure that the pressure reducer is tight. We also want to check that the Cesium fittings are in good working order. So in order to do that, we just disconnect the high pressure